Hi. Um, I'm gonna be singing Somewhere Only We Know, and the one I have is from the Glee class, the Glee cast. I'm sorry, I'm really nervous, and if I mess up, it's because of how nervous I am. I may not sing the whole song because my throat hurts. Okay. And I can't really hit the high notes if there's high notes in this. I don't really. If I just like skip the part, you'll know. Okay. Henry walked across an empty land. Knew the pathway like the back of my hand. Felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the river and it made me complete. Simple pain, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. Tell me where, gonna let me in. Getting old and I need somewhere to begin. Came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Simple thing, have you gone? I'm getting tired and I need something to rely on. So tell me where you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything. Why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know. I think that's all I'm gonna sing. I don't feel good today, and people are pushing me to make this video, and I know I sound terrible in this video. I'm scared to post it. I really, really am. All of my friends are good. Okay, bye-bye.